Good morning everyone. My name is Mrunali Zadav from Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, and today I will be presenting on the topic thread in programming. In this presentation we will understand what threads are, why they are important, their types and how they work in execution. Slide 2. Introduction to thread. First, let us understand what threads are. A thread is the smallest unit of execution in a process. Threads are lightweight, meaning they share the same process resources like memory and file. For example, think of your web browser. When you open multiple tabs, each tab runs as a separate thread inside the browser process. Slide 3. Benefits of thread. Thread provides several benefits. They allow multitasking and parallelism, meaning multiple tasks can run at the same time. They lead to faster execution because tasks are divided. Thread also make better use of CPU resources. To understand this better, imagine a chef in the kitchen preparing multiple dishes at once. Instead of finishing one dish before starting the next, the chef works on all in parallel, just like thread. Slide 4. Types of threads. There are mainly two types of threads. User thread, which are created and managed by the programmer at the application level, and kernel thread, which are managed directly by the operating system. Both work together to handle execution efficiently, with user thread relying on the kernel thread for actual execution on the CPU. Slide 5. Thread life cycle. Now let's look at the life cycle of a thread. When a thread is created, it is in the new state. When it is ready for execution, it moves to the runnable state. Once the CPU starts executing it, it becomes running. If it is paused or waiting for a resource, it goes into the waiting state. Finally, when the task is completed, the thread enters the terminated state. This life cycle ensures proper scheduling and resource management. Slide 6. Conclusion. To conclude, threads play a very important role in programming and operating system. They improve efficiency, enable multitasking, and are widely used in the operating system, networking, and application development. Without threads, modern applications like browser, game, and server would not function as smoothly as they do today. Thank you for listening.